Welcome. In this video we are going to learn TLSSLed and SSLsplit information gathering tool in Linux. Let's see about TLSSLed package first. TLSSLed is a Linux shell script whose purpose is to evaluate the security of a target SSL or TLS web server implementation. It is based on SSL scan, a thorough SSL or TLS scanner that is based on OpenSSL library and on the OpenSSL S client command line tool. The current tests include checking if the target supports the SSL v2 protocol, the null cipher, weak cipher based on their key length, the availability of strong ciphers, if the digital certificate is MD5 signed, and the current SSL or TLS renegotiation capabilities. Let's open up TLSSLed, go to Application, Information Gathering option, SSL Analysis, TLSSLed, or open terminal and type TLSSLed. Here we can see that syntax of TLSSLed tool, that is user bin TLSSLed, hostname or IP address, space port. Let's check SSL TLS on the host and port. Now go to Windows Desktop, open up command prompt, type ipconfig. Here you can see that IP address. Let's go back to Kali, type TLSSLed 192.168.0.5 443. TLSLed tool is checking on 192.168.0.5 IP address, 443 port. Here you can see that processing start, analyzing SSL or TLS on our target machine. We can see that SSL scan is running on 192.168.0.5 machine, 443 port. This tool is checked with SSL scan, MITM vulnerability, that is man-in-middle attack vulnerability, client authentication using digital certificate, and so on. Here you can see that final output as a new file is created in output directory TLSSLed 1.3 192.168.0.5 443 20170612 and so on. So that's it in TLSSLed tool. Next we are going to learn SSLsplit tool in Linux. SSLsplit package. SSLsplit is a tool for man-in-the-middle attacks against SSL or TLS encrypted network connections. Connections are transparently intercepted through a network address, translation engine, and redirected to SSLsplit. SSLsplit terminates SSL or TLS and initiates a new SSL or TLS connection to the original destination address. While logging all data transmitted, SSLsplit is intended to be useful for network forensic and penetration testing. SSLsplit supports plain TCP, plain SSL, HTTP and HTTPS connection over both IPv4 and IPv6. For SSL and HTTP connections, SSLsplit generates and signs forged X509v3 certificate on the fly based on original server certificate subject Gyan and subject alt name extension. SSLsplit fully supports server name indication and is able to work with RSA, DSA, and ECDSA keys and DHE and ECDHE cipher suites. SSLsplit can also use existing certificate of which private keys available instead of generating forged ones. SSLsplit supports null prefix CN certificates and can deny OCSP requests in a generic way. SSLsplit removes HPKP response headers in order to prevent public key pinning. Let's open up terminal, type SSLsplit space -headers. Here you can see that different option of SSLsplit tool. Here we can see that the basic syntax of SSLsplit option proxy spaces. Here you can see that SSLsplit options are -c prem file, use CA cert from PEM file to sign forged certs, -k PEM file, use CA key from PEM file to sign forged search. -C PEM file, use CA chain from PEM file. -K PEM file, use key from PEM file for leaf search, and so on. Here you can see that the syntax and example of SSL split in console. SSL split space -k CA.key CA.pen -p HTTPS 127.0.0.1 8443 HTTPS 18443. Run in debug mode. Log the connection, that is -l. Set the cron jail, that is -j. Save files to disk, that is -s. Specify the key, that is -k ca.key. Specify the cert, that is ca.crt. Specify SSL, that is SSL. Configure proxy, that is 127.0.0.1 8443, and TCP. So that's it in this video on TLSSLed and SSL split information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.